Greetings from the public theatre or exam hall of the College of the Holy and Undivided Trinity of Queen Elizabeth near Dublin. I'm Brendan Tagney, and as Register of the University, I welcome viewers of this recording of the virtual commencement ceremony. In advance of the formal ceremony, I take this opportunity to warmly congratulate all being conferred with diplomas today, and to introduce you to the proceedings which will follow. It is with great regret that the ceremony has to take place in this format, but these are strange and difficult times for everyone, and in the circumstances it is the most suitable way in which we can formally confer the awards upon you. And this is actually the fifth ceremony to take place in this format due to COVID-19 restrictions. To the parents, family and friends who may be viewing this recording, it's only right and fitting to formally acknowledge the crucial role you have played and sacrifices you have made to help the graduates reach their goal. On Trinity's behalf, I would like to thank you most sincerely for that support. Before we begin, it is worthwhile to pause for a moment and reflect on the very strange times we find ourselves in and the value in taking the long-term view of things. This is not a normal graduation event, and these are turbulent times for all of us, and it would be all too easy to become despondent and convince ourselves that the future is very bleak. To this end, it may give us some comfort to reflect on the fact that over its 400-year-plus history, Trinity and the Trinity community has carried on through 2 world wars, a number of rebellions, 2 of which were led by alumni of this university, the Great Famine, Poyning's laws, which restricted the university community to members of the established or Anglican Church, and the reigns of not one but 2 Queen Elizabeths. Nor is COVID-19 the first pandemic in our history. The late R.B. MacDowell of the Department of History and the legendary Junior Dean, who was an undergraduate in the 1930s, recounted to me one evening over a glass of wine in my rooms in House 9 in Front Square, when I was Junior Dean, the story of his childhood experience of contracting Spanish flu in 1919. There is a memorial bench in his honour at the back of the Rubrics facing onto New Square. So the next time you're on campus, you may like to sit there and reflect on the changes this university has seen through the ages, and the fact that as a graduate, you're now part of that unfolding history. The ceremony will proceed with a video greeting from the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, and the reading of the names of candidates being presented for awards from that school. It will then be followed by a greeting from the School of Dental Science and reading of the names of candidates from that school for each diploma being presented. I will then draw the ceremony to a close.
Good afternoon to the Dental Hygiene class of 2020. I am so delighted to be here today to celebrate your graduation with you. I am so very, very proud of you. Firstly, I'd like to say a big thank you to your family, your friends, your partners, and all the people that have helped you along this journey. The support that you get as you move your way through a university course is invaluable, so a big, big thank you to everyone who's helped you along this way. Sadly, we won't get the opportunity to meet with these special people today due to the COVID-19 restrictions. However, I hope you have some lovely events planned remotely and you can celebrate in your own way. Secondly, I'd like you all to join me in saying a big thank you to both Yvonne Howell and Yvonne O'Sullivan for their hard work and dedication throughout your studies. I know that they're both very, very proud of you today. Lastly, to the graduates yourselves, I think you've certainly earned the opportunity to take a deep breath and a sigh of relief after all your hard work. But I don't want you to think of today as the end, but more the beginning. I know that you will all go on to do great things in your career. Please keep in touch with your colleagues and with your Dental Hygiene Association. Now, more than ever, we may feel that working remotely and in isolation due to the COVID-19 restrictions. However, your association and your colleagues can offer invaluable support and mentorship, and it's certainly a great network to have to be able to lean out and help each other. I hope that we'll meet you at events in the future, scientific events and conferences, and I hope that you'll continue to learn within your profession. Meeting with colleagues and friends is a great way to stay motivated and enthusiastic about our work. So from the dental hygiene team here in Dublin, We wish you every success in your new profession, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future and to seeing you in person one day at one of the meetings. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'd like to welcome the class for Dental Nursing and Dental Hygiene of 2020 and your friends and families. My name is Derek Sullivan, and I'm the Director of Undergraduate Teaching and Learning here in the School of Dental Science in Trinity College and the Dublin Dental University Hospital. It is a great honour and privilege to welcome you here this evening. On behalf of the Dean of the Hospital, Professor Brian O'Connell, and the course directors for Dental Hygiene, Miss Yvonne Howell and Miss Ailish Duffy, and for Dental Nursing, Mr. Sean Phelan and Miss Karen Deneen, and from all the staff here in the Dublin Dental Hospital. It is a great evening for you, and it is regrettable to us that we're not able to celebrate it with you in person here in the hospital or in the public theatre in Trinity College. However, I hope this does not detract from your celebrations. You have shown wonderful resilience and resourcefulness in completing your programmes. We have all been through difficult circumstances over the last few months, and you have shown that you have the ability to shine despite this adversity. You will be great ambassadors, I know, for the school and hospital when you go out into the dental world and practice your professions. All that remains for me to say is to wish you luck in your endeavours. I hope perhaps we might see you back in the dental hospital at some stage, either perhaps as a member of staff, or perhaps as a student conducting postgraduate studies. Either way, we wish you well in your career. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Registrar, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to add my congratulations to the students who have recently completed the Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Technology. The pharmaceutical industry has become one of the biggest industries in Ireland. 9 of the 10 largest global companies have a presence here, and all of these companies require senior personnel with the knowledge of the pharmaceutical sciences. All of the students on this course are science graduates with demanding jobs in the pharmaceutical industry, family commitments, and so on. We understand that it was a difficult decision and a huge challenge for you to add 2 years studying the pharmaceutical sciences into an already packed schedule. Thankfully, with the support of family and colleagues, you have successfully juggled everything and completed this diploma in manufacturing technology. You have joined the ranks of hundreds of past graduates who have moved on to even bigger and better careers in the pharmaceutical industry and with the regulatory authorities. I wish you every success for the future. Please keep in contact, and I look forward to seeing you at our annual training day, the QP Forum.
Diploma in Dental Hygiene. Campbell Rebecca. Byrne Ryan Ashling. Early Ashling. Mangan Caitlin. O'Kelly Eva. Diploma in Dental Nursing. Donahue Claire. Akui Sharnan. Elliot Colopy Kim. Equiza Janella Joyce. Finnerty Amy. Fitzsimons Rebecca. Foran Emma. Gray Ashling. Halpin Gemma. Hosey Aaron. Ibanez Raquel. McNerney Anna. Mariacri Diana. Mulligan Rebecca. O'Hagan Jade. Pigeon Tara. Quinn Lauren. Revazova Asa Alana, Roberts Sophie, Sharp Amy, Verbaeti Adrianelini Vida, Wojtka Beba, Bodea Ankadana, Clinton Tracy, Coakley Ashling, Fogarty Mora, Verdui Anna Maria, Geary Tanya, Gilligan Kate, Gomez Patricia, Gray Alana, Guilfoyle Sinead, Heffernan Orla, Holkovikova Holmes Lucia, Johnson Dunn Nolene, Jones Roisin, Kavanagh Ruth, Killock Aoife, Clovane Claudia, Cruxe Theodora Anna, Lee Shakira, Markiniak Anna, Marek Anna, Mates Aisha, McBride Megan, McGrath Alison, McNally Kim, Mullen Karina, Murphy Bavin, Mustiata Anna Maria, Nash Laura, Pacificeni Jurgita, Pranavicuti Victoria, Rodriguez Justino Flavia, Sanduliak Simona, Shannon Bernadette, King Siobhan, Wahid Zainab Omotayosi, Webster Paul, Rona Magdalena.
Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Technology. Caldwell Paul, Clifford Andrew, German William, Kelleher Joanne, Rodriguez Sylvia.
I thank my academic colleagues for their input into the proceedings and my colleagues from Academic Registry and Trinity Online for making this all happen. To you, the graduates, I wish you hearty congratulations and hope that for at least some of you, this is not the end of your formal engagement with lifelong learning. Arguably, it would not be a proper Trinity ceremonial event without some Latin being spoken. So I will now bring the ceremony to a close using a version of the Latin salutation which concludes degree awarding ceremonies. Valete omnes, non diutius vos morabimur. Volate candidati novus, honoribus decorati. Volati et vos hospites acceptissimi. Comitia salvantur in nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Thank you very much and goodbye.